Have you ever reached the end of your day and thought, what happened to today? Like the whole thing just disappeared and you're really not sure how? If so, you're not alone. And today we're going to try to fix that. Hi, I'm the Independent Autistic, and on this channel we empower young adult autistics toward independence. Real world, practical independence. That means you control your time, your money, and your life, one step at a time. Let me share something simple that changed everything for me. A day is all you have. Not a week, not a year, not someday. Just today. So if you want to change your life, start by changing your day. So here's how. Start with a day audit. Don't worry, it's not complicated. All you have to do is grab a notebook and write down all the things that you did today and what time you did them. That's it. Not pretending, not trying to do things so it'll look nice. Just be honest. And when the day is done, ask yourself the question, what's one habit I can change tomorrow that will make my life a little better? Here are some suggested areas of growth. You can get started with small things that add up to major gains. Your attitude, am I being kind to myself and others today? Your communication, do I speak when I need help? Your time management, do I waste time on things that don't matter? Your health, did I eat the right things today? Did I exercise? Did I move my body? Planning goals. Did I review my to-do list or even set up one at all? Drink plenty of water. Seriously, most people are dehydrated, and a little water and they'd feel much better. And finally, have I worked on the skill in my special interest? Do I spend time building something I love, or just let the time fritter away? That last one is so important. Working on the skill in your special interest. To become a master at that skill. You don't need to fix everything today. Don't even try. Pick one. Improve one thing, then repeat tomorrow. That's how real change works. Small habits, one at a time, and you build better days. And better days turn into better weeks, and better weeks turn into better months and better years. And that is success. It's just the accumulation of daily good habits. So this is your call to action. Don't just listen to this video and click off and go about your day. Do the day audit. Be honest with yourself how you spend your time, and once you see it, once it's down on paper, you'll know exactly where to begin. You don't need a full life overhaul. You need to take the first step. This is the Independent Autistic, and I believe in you. Remember, you were born different to make a difference. Are you a young adult autistic stuck at home and craving more independence? Then the Autistic Bridge to Independence is just what you've been looking for. It's a 5 ebook guide to your independence. Check the link below and get it today. A subscribe would be lovely. Thank you.